Some football news now. Jamaica's Reggae Boyz completed their first training session on Sunday ahead of their upcoming friendly international against Argentina on Tuesday in the United States. The delegation arrived in the USA on Saturday ahead of the game, which is scheduled to be played at the Red Bull facility in New Jersey. New head coach Hamer Hallgrimsson says he's focused on one aspect of the game in today's training session, which will be very crucial against the South American giants.
Playing against Argentina is going to be important to be organized, to play a good defense. So we try to implement some ideas in defending. So this training today was more or less about defending, and I think it went okay. We had a good meeting in the morning, and then we took the training, and I think what we wanted to achieve, I think we kind of got that from this session.
Hallgrimsson also spoke about his impression of the team after his first interaction with the players.
The squad has been fantastic. At least gave me a good welcome. Let's see what happens in the long run, but they really made a good first impression, so I'm quite happy with everything at the moment.
The match will be shown live on TVJ's Sports Network with delayed broadcast at 9 p.m. on TVJ. Of course, the match begins at 7 p.m.